Hi guys, today we'll talk about little projects that you can take as AI engineer. We won't talk about big tech, big companies, full-time job. Right now we're talking about freelance, about possibilities to earn money as AI engineer with Claude Code, with Codex, etc. I want to tell again that's only beginning, and if you search for Claude Code in Upwork, we see more than 1,000 jobs. If you'll search for AI engineer, we got 2.5K. But let's jump in and see how, as AI developer, we can help real businesses, real entrepreneurs, and earn money. The first guy offer us up to 35 USD per hour and ask about Stripe to website integration. That's existing websites. Probably they have leads from somewhere, and I won't tell you that's a very easy job, and it can done by everyone who can understand the basics of Claude Code, the basics of Codex, etc. So it's a very easy, and if you understand how this guy earn these leads, you can do this business by yourself. Second guy have typical problem in vibe coding AI development space. They started and they hit the wall and can proceed. So he's looking for a vibe coder. He's looking actually for AI engineer who can, with knowledge, with understanding, start at the point and get this SaaS, get this up to the end. This seems very easy, and everyone, even newbies, can earn 30 USD per hour for just prompting. Of course, these tasks only for guys who is at the very beginning in their freelance career, but here is guy looking for expert who will install Claude Code and just give him few tips. Of course, 50 USD is nothing today, but it's typical job and you can be helpful. Here is an absolutely easy job. They want agentic workflow, but as I read description, here you will spend much more time on call, on meetings, so I would not take this. Typical position for beginner, that's just a typical founder facing problems with their vibe code, with their prompting, and they need expert and they can pay. Now they want turn design into real website, push this website to web, make SEO, make CRM, and it's a perfect, absolutely perfect project. You can earn money here, you can earn money hourly, and just prompting, just do your job. But for this, you just need understanding what's going on and know how to work with Claude. And this guy wants pay us 500 for just MVP. So looking very interesting, right? And I want to tell you one thing. For all this job, you have to just understand what's going on with websites, what's going on front end, database, backend, how to manage it, and first of all, how to use Claude Code. You don't need to learn programming languages for foreign months. You just need to learn Claude Code and understand something in AI engineering. That's why today AI engineer is hottest tech job right now.